Who doesn't love a classic BLT sandwich? But today, it's a new classic in the making. How about a BLT salad? This is gonna be good. This recipe is guaranteed to please. After all, who doesn't love that combination of bacon, lettuce, and tomato? Yet we're gonna take those 3 essential ingredients plus add 3 additional little things to this to create something we know you're gonna make again and again. Let's get started. T is for tomato. I'm using vine ripened beauties. Give them a wash, then quarter them. This salad will serve 6 guests. We did 2 tomatoes per guest, 12 tomatoes total for the recipe. Set the tomatoes to the side. L is for lettuce. We're calling for 2. A head of curly leaf, which is what we most often use in BLT Sammys, but also a head of romaine. The romaine will keep the salad bulky and crunchy. Discard the unattractive or wilted outer leaves, then trim away the end and cut the romaine with a knife. Similar treatment for the curly butt. The curly lettuce is a little bit more delicate, so we're gonna rip those leaves into bite-sized pieces. Really important, always rinse your greens in cool water. I like to stir them up in a big bowl and then give them a good spin. This will remove any sand or dirt. Our 2 lettuce combo is good to go. B is for bacon, and oh boy, this salad loves crispy cooked bacon. Does it ever? We're placing 6 strips of bacon onto a rack that's resting on a foil-lined baking sheet. That's about 1 strip of bacon per person, add more if you want. Then to the oven for a 15 to 20 minute roast at 425. Gorgeous and crispy bacon every time. Transfer the cooked bacon to a paper towel lined plate. Dab it to remove excess grease. Then, when it's cool, we're gonna chop it up. So the bacon, lettuce, and tomato are ready. Now let's talk about 2 of the 3 add-ons we're talking about. You know how a bacon, lettuce, and tomato Sammy has bread? This got us thinking about croutons, where we took slices of a favorite French loaf, cubed them, then added butter melted with chopped garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper onto a baking sheet. We'll add a link for our full crouton recipe down below in the info section of this video. Our croutons are good and crunchy, just the way we like them. You're also gonna need to make a really creamy buttermilk dressing. And we're blending our dressing with lots of mayo. Plus we're adding onion, garlic, freshly chopped herbs. Dressing recipe is also down below. Now, before I assemble, this salad is so beautiful, it deserves to be made in a beautiful bowl. So if you have a ceramic or wooden bowl like this, now's the time to use it. Into a beautiful bowl, we're adding our mixed greens, followed by the juicy tomatoes, and then about 3/4 of the quantity of bacon. Then drizzle on about a 1/4 cup of the dressing. We're gonna toss lightly, do a taste, and then season with black pepper and sea salt flakes. You can add more dressing if you'd like. Croutons. Then just toss again. Then we're over to plates where we can finish by adding a few extra croutons and those held back bacon strips. Oh my gosh, this looks beautiful, right? But wait, this might be a personal thing, but I think BLTs are better with cheese. So how about some cheddar or some Parmesan, or you can add my fave, a little sprinkle of a crumbled Danish blue cheese. Amazing. You'll find the full recipe for this sensational salad up at weekendatthecottage.com. You'll also be able to watch this video again and again in our dedicated YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato meet again in this sensational BLT salad. So delicious. Enjoy. Beauty.